One of the really important parts in vacation rental industry right now is to have home automation. That's going to help you stand out. The biggest thing is the safety of the guest. And a lot of the vacation rentals that you stay in across the country, there's typically, and we started this way, there's a box that you'll fumble through, and that code is a code that unfortunately isn't going to be, it's going to be recycled and used over and over again. So the key thing with good home automation is to have a system that will automatically generate a code for that specific guest. If you heard that, that was actually an automatically locking, which is also great for safety as well. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to show you, we're going to type in the code, we're going to walk in. Again, pre-generated code for every single guest that stays. You type in the code, unlocks the door, and we're heading in.